Okay, yeah, let me open directly Power BI because we completed the base level mini project. So we'll discuss the remaining things today, mostly by next week, and we'll complete the Power BI. So we complete the remaining things slowly one by one. Okay, let me click on it. Let me same story. I'm opening the Power BI, getting the data freshly to do the work in front of you. Okay, let me click on it. Click with the connect. Okay, and let me load the data. Let me load the data in front of you. Okay, click on the load. So the data is loading and you can see the data will be appeared here. Here you can see the data. You can see the data here. See, this is the data. So here I am going to rename today. So if you see here, this whatever the things that we completed, first row completely we have completed. Second row we completed. Third one, which is important, final chat completed, scatter plot completed, tree map completed. Today we'll discuss about pie chart and the donut chart. Two things we'll discuss. Along with that, slicer complete. These are the no need or remaining things we don't need everything. So let's today we will also complete metrics and tables and metrics also will complete. After that we'll go with the Power Query. Okay, first we'll go with the pie chart today. Okay, we'll go with the pie chart. So it's one of the beautiful representation we have. Pie chart basically, pie chart is also one of the fantastic usage one. So the purpose of pie chart is, for example, very simple. Let's say imagine you have a location, for example, or you have any companies, or else you have years. For example, in the 2011, let's take the labels. Suppose company, okay, companies. Suppose if I have four companies, one company is Meta, second company is let's say Google. Okay, next one is let's say Microsoft. Okay, let's say we have Microsoft, and then we have Amazon. Okay, we have, suppose we have four companies. So each company revenue, suppose if we have each company revenue, so Meta company is having out of, let's say Meta company is having the revenue of rupees 850 or 800 billion dollars or $1,000,000. You take whatever you want. Let's say Google company. Okay, I'm taking some random values. You just try to understand the content, the concept you need to understand. Okay, you just need to understand the concept here. So Google is a company. So Meta company, $850 million. Google company, suppose let's say $1,100 million. Let's say Microsoft, we are getting 680, and Amazon, we are getting around $890 million. So these are the values we have. These are the generally values we have. So now pie chart means nothing but guys, circle representation. I'm telling you, the data visualization will be represented in the form of circle. Okay, you're going to represent in the circle. First of all, let's take the circle. I'm telling you here. Let's take the circle. Any color of circle in the I mean, what do you say, like in the makeup area, you can do a lot of makeup, whatever you want. Any circle you take. Okay, a circle, a proper circle, not like egg shaped circle, a proper circle. So which is having 360 degrees at a time. Okay, a circle. In this circle, circle will be divided, guys. I'm telling you, circle will be divided. How the circle will be divided? Out of these four values, what each company, their four values are there. So based on these values, the circle will give their own part. Let's say you see which is the highest one here. Google is the highest one. Google is the highest one. So huge portion. So let's say this portion I am giving for the Google. So this portion I will give for the Google. Next, after Google, second highest is Amazon, which is 890 almost. Suppose Amazon 890. Next one, highest is Meta. Meta is also having the big value only. So Meta also 850. Okay, Meta is also having 850. Microsoft small, because out of 4, this is the smallest one, which is 680. This is the smallest one, which is 680. So the representation of this data into a circle is known as a pie chart. Is known as a pie chart. Here you need to understand, this complete circle will be maintained with 100 percentage. I'm telling you. So which means, what is the meaning of that is, so you will be, if there is a circle, if there is a circle, circle will divide it into pieces. Circle will divide it into pieces based on the values. Based on the values only. Circle will divide them into pieces based on the values only. But according to the percentage, it will divide. For example, out of 100 percentage, it will give the percentage. Out of 100 percentage, highest one is there. No, suppose this is 45 percentage. Okay, suppose 45 percentage. Out of 100 percentage, let's say this is around 20 percentage. Okay, 20 percentage. Okay, let's say, or this is 30 percentage, for example. This is 10 percentage, and this is 5 percentage. So 45, you can pick the values here. 45 plus 5, 50. 50 plus I think 20. You just match the percentages, and some of the percentages should come. Some of the percentages should come as 100. Okay, what I'm saying is, you will get the circle pie chart. You will get the pie chart based on the values only. But not only that, this circle will be treated like 100 percentage. Let's say Google is having the value 1100. Not only this, out of 100 percentage, how much percentage the Google is occupying, percentage value also it will give here. Percentage value also it will give for you. So let me pick that one. The concept is this: each label based on their value. Each label based on their value, it will give me. For example, you know very well. For example, you know very well, we will do the sum of sales or sum of profit. For example, if I am taking subcategory, if I am taking subcategory, so like subcategories is whatever the categories that are there in accessories, windows, bookcases, chairs, tables, papers, anything. These are subcategories. So in the entire America, we have these other subcategories. So in entire America, how many mobile phones are selling? How many mobile phones are selling? Total sales in the America for the mobile phones. So if I drag it and if I keep it here, see, you will get the data. Not the state here. This is not the state. What I'm going to do is, I am going to give the sales. Okay, sales. See here, I'm giving the tables, but I will tell you about this also. But let's understand first of all. So what I'm saying is, in the entire America, these are the products which are selling. Where tables comes under furniture, mobile phones comes under technology, remaining things comes under office supplies category and subcategory. I hope you remember. So in the subcategory mobile phones, let's say mobile phones, how many sales are going on in the entire America is mentioned here. How many coppers are selling in the entire America is mentioned. So how many tables are selling in entire America is mentioned here. So each category, their sum of sales. Each category, their sum of sales is clearly represented here. Is clearly defined here. So, but I don't want to represent the data. I don't want to represent the data in the form of table. Okay, I want to represent the pie chart. I'm going to click on this pie chart. A dummy input will come, you know very well. A dummy input will come, you know this very well. Okay. So this dummy input will expect only two things. One is categories, which means labels it will expect. It will expect the values. It will expect the legend if you need. So what is the meaning of labels? Like you have written company name, like you have written Meta, you have written Google, you have written Microsoft, and you have written Amazon. So these are the labels, categorical data, unique labels, unique labels. Each unique label, the value. In the same way, what I am going to pass here is each subcategory. Mobile phones, total how many sales in America. Tables, how many sales in America. Chairs, how many sales in America. So each category, how many sales in America, I'm going to represent. I'm going to represent here very, very clearly. Very, very clearly. So you see here, I'm going to take the subcategory. I'm going to take the subcategory pie chart only. Yeah, I'm going to give the subcategory. Yeah, subcategory and their sales. See guys, pie chart is coming or not like a circle, like a circle. If you just increase the size, you can really pretty good. See, at a time everything is giving me. Okay, see how beauty. You can change the colors if you want. That's your wish. So see pie chart. Pie chart means a circle. A single circle will be divided. For example, mobile phones. Let me pass the labels. Everything go to the makeup area. In the makeup area, data labels are on. Okay, where if you want to do anything with one by one will come. So if I go to the makeup area, so see here legend. So legend where you want. This you want in the center right. This you want in the center left. So where you want. So wherever you want, you can keep that one. And if you want to increase the text size a little bit, you can increase. You can bold them if you need it. Definitely, you can bold them if you need it. Okay. Color also you can change the text color. The text color also you can change. But I'm not going to do that here. Title. What is the meaning of title? Subcategory title is there. If you off, the subcategory name will be not available. If I on, it will be available. Simple. Next. Slices are there. Each one, what color you are picking. So clearly mentioned here. Each one, which color is mentioned, clearly mentioned here. Details. Details means the values which is going to show in front of you. So this I will keep like this one. I don't change anything. Rotation means circle you want to rotate anything. See, if you want to rotate the circle will rotate. The circle will rotate. Now you will ask me one question, sir. First explain what do this information giving. Very simple. A circle. See, tell me this color belongs to which subcategory? This color belongs to which subcategory here? Binders, right? Am I right? It belongs to binders. Okay, it belongs to binders. Binders. How many sales are going on in the America? 203.41k sales are going on for binders in America. According to the percentage, 8.85. Out of 100 percentage, out of 100 percentage, 8% of the sales are happening from binders. So let's say green color is very less. Let me see, this green color belongs to what? Furnishings. So this green color is making the profit of 91.7k, and only 3% out of 100%, you will get only 3%. So if you are confusing with the bigger values, let's remove the subcategories and give the region. So each region, how many sales? So central area, okay, central area, west area, south area, and east area. Okay. So in the central area, total sales are how many? 501.24k sales are happening. And in the south area, these are the sales. In the west area, these are the sales. In the east area, these are the sales. So we have the sales here. We have the sales. Okay. We have the sales. Fine. We have the sales. Fine. Okay. We have the sales. Fine. But here, what about the percentage? See, I am telling you, entire pie chart, entire this circle will be treated like 100 percentage. 100 percentage. In this circle 100 percentage, central value, the central sales value, based on the sales value, the percentage come. The central area is occupying 21.82 percentage. South is occupying 17.05. 17.05. West is occupying 31.58 percentage. Okay, percentage. And East is occupying 29.55 percentage. Okay, entire circle is 100. In 100, how much percentage for each level they have given? Please add them. So 21.82, 17.05, 31.58, 29.55. You please add them. Go to the calculator. Go to the calculator. Open the calculator. Do the math. Okay. 21.82 plus 17.05 plus 31.58 plus 29.55. How much? Guys, 100 you are getting or not? 100 you are getting or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the power. That is pie chart. In a simple way, pie chart is nothing but a circle is 100 percentage. Based on the values only, the size will be decided. I'm telling you. So these sizes for each label will be decided based on their values only. Sum of sales values only. But the circle is 100 percentage. No, out of 100 percentage, how much percentage is occupying by the individual label? They will mention here. So instead of passing the region, if I pass the subcategory, you can see a lot of categories are there. Let's say, for example, storage or shades. These colors are really weird. See, you need to give it manually. I'm telling you. Two colors are having, two labels are having same color. So I don't have patience to change the color. Then what I will do? I will go to the view option. In the view option, I will down click. I will select any other pattern. I will select any other pattern. Some unique colors will come. Okay, any other one. Some any other one. So one color will be not repeated. See, I hope one color will not repeat. If repeats means we can't do anything. Manually, we need to go the area. This one. See, let's stick with this one. For example, let's stick with this one. So this theme we will select. See, for example, if anybody asks you, Kamal, please tell me about this. The client asks you, please explain me about this particular area. I will check. This data mainly belongs to corpus. Color, see, color, check the color. It belongs to the corpus, if I am not wrong. Okay, but here also same. Same kind of color, but it belongs to the labels. So this belongs to the corpus, where the total corpus sales in America is 149.53k sales. These many sales are going in America, and also out of 100 percentage, out of 100 percentage, 6 percentage of the data, 6% out of 100 percentage, 6 percentage of the sales are coming from corpus only. If you pick anyone, let's say, sir, I want to go with this color. Please check the color. Please check the same color which belongs to the machines. So machine, this belongs to the machine. So where total sales in the machine in America is 189.24k sales. I'm coming from the machine. So when you want to check the when you want to check the percentages, 8.24 out of 100 percentage, 8 percentage of the sales that are coming from the machines. So like this individually you can do it. Individually you can do it. Now there is one more point, guys. You can there is a detail option is there. Detail option is there. There is an option called detail. So in the detail, okay, in the detail, I can pass like a legend. See, I will take the region, I will pass it here. See, it looks even more great. It looks even more great. See, what's happening? For example, whatever the concept that I discussed with you today. Okay, whatever the concept that I discussed. Let's say what I have discussed. Now, what I have discussed, I discussed about. Just give me a minute, guys. My pan is not working. Just give me 1 minute. What happened? Just 1 minute, guys. So, I am passing the region also here. If I am passing the region, we discussed about corpus. So, in the corpus, individually, east area, west area, south area, central area. In the corpus, from the east area, how many sales we are getting? Okay. From the east area, how many sales we are getting? From the west area, how many sales we are getting? From central area, how many sales? From this area, how many sales? From each area, how many sales we are getting also? We can definitely represent them. So even each subcategory from each region also you can define. You can clearly define. And you can go to the makeup area and you can do the makeup if you need. You can go to the makeup area. Chalo, let's go to the makeup area. Yeah. Let me go to the makeup area. In the makeup area, if you see here, legend is there. So this legend I'm going to give in the center, right? Okay, text and everything is fine. There is nothing to give like slices. If you want to pick the color, you can pick the color whatever you want if needed, if needed. Or else you can go with manually. You can go with manually. Just to give me a minute. System is getting stuck. Yeah, yeah. Come back here. And details also you know very well. Details, the values which is mentioning here. If you want to increase those values, see the values I will increase. I will bold them if I need. I will bold the values if I need. Okay. And also you can see position. These values you want inside or you want outside. You want inside or you want outside. If you want inside means I will place the values inside. If you want outside means I will make it outside. I will make it outside. Okay. So now rotation. Sir, I just want to do some rotation. Definitely, I want to do some rotation. The circle I want to rotate a little bit, which I mean to make it more effective. To make it more effective, I will rotate it little bit. I will make a rotation little bit. So what I'm going to do for that? Just give me a second. Why it's
Hello.
guys. Sorry, let me share my screen. Just got some issue with the laptop. Okay. Sorry. Let me open the Power BI.
So your voice is not clear.
Yeah. So is it audible now? Clearly.
Yes, sir.
On the shun. Here, let me go here. Go to the data option. Get data option. Click on this. Stop. Just within 2 minutes, I will arrange the pie chart. Don't worry. So let me rename this one first of all as a pie chart. Okay. Yes, data is loaded. Let me rename this one. This as a pie chart. Yeah, this as a pie chart. I'm going to click on the pie chart. Same thing. Just now what I have done. Same thing. I will do it here. The pie chart. So in the pie chart, we know I'm going to pass the subcategories. I'm passing the sales and I'm passing the region also. Same how you know. Okay, same. So whatever you want this visualization, you can use this visualization also. Okay, or previous one which we used previously. If you want to use that visualization, you can pick that one and you can use that visualization. So anything that you want, you can do that. Anything you want, you can do that. So here what I told you, I explained all the things. Go to the makeup area. If you want to do the rotation little bit, see, sir, I want to do the rotation like this. I want to show. You can show little bit. I want to do the rotation. See, so wherever you want to fix and you want to explain to the client, you can explain there. So for example, let's say if anybody asks you, Kamal, please explain me this one. So the client is going to ask you, please explain me this blue color. Okay. Or if he is asking you to explain this color. So this color belongs to what corpus? Just now we discussed each region in the corpus. In the east region, west region, south region, central region, every region, their values out of 100 percentage, how much percentage it is occupying, how much percentage it is occupying. Pie chart will give you very clearly. Guys, understood? Pie chart, everyone? Simple. A circle will be divided into pieces. And you can see here the next one, donut chart. Both are same. They are like brothers. So the difference between pie chart, see for example, a single circle will divide into piece. That is a pie chart. Donut chart, which means the next one is another circle will come like this. Okay. So here the data will be divided. So in a simple way, if I want to say the difference between pie chart and area chart, donut chart, I will tell you the difference between pie chart and the difference between donut chart, not donut chart. I will tell you. Pie chart means, for example, you have east, west, south, and central. Four areas are there. So pie chart means a circle which I am dividing into four pieces. Circle east, west, south, and central based on the sales value. Based on the sales value. Donut chart is nothing but first circle will be there. Again another circle, two circles. So this I will divide for the east, this for west, this for south, this for central. So same, content is same, everything is same.
Okay, so
Just
your voice is getting frustrated.
am I audible now? I just switch on the fan, that's why I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah, am I audible clearly? Yeah. So the difference between pie chart and
What
donut chart.
disturbance is coming from background?
Okay.
You're audible clearly, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So this is pi. Pi is single circle will divided into pieces. Donut chart is nothing but two things. On top area, the upper area will be divided into pieces. Inner area, you can define the size of the inner area. So see here, this is the pie chart basically. Pie chart. Same, I will change to the donut chart. Donut chart. Okay. Donut chart. Donut chart means what? Same. If you click on the donut chart, see the donut chart will come here. You can define the size. You can define whatever the size that you want. Okay. You can define whatever the size that you want. It is expecting same. What pie chart is expecting from you, same things the donut chart will expect. I'm telling you. Only the representation will be different. So I am going to give the subcategories. Each subcategory sales I am going to see each subcategory. Instead of dividing in a single piece, upper areas will be divided. Okay. See here, same percentages, everything is same. For example, this belongs to same corpus. Corpus 149.53 sales are going on. Out of 100 percentage, 6% of the sales belongs to 6% of the sales belongs to the corpus. And if you pass the legend also, no problem. You can pass even legend also here. That means if region wise, if I need, see region wise also you can give. region wise also you can give. Instead of splitting them in a single circle on top areas, we can define. For example, you see here same coppers. So coppers are having four areas: east, west, south, and central. So each one their cells. Each one their cells. Same, just the difference is visualization. Here complete circle. Here only the upper areas. And the inner area is the inner circle. That inner circle size also you can define. Inner circle size also you can define, I'm telling you. Okay. For example, let me go to the visualization area. Here you can see the data label. Here a rotation you can see. So if I increase the rotation, it will rotate. If I increase the rotation, it will rotate. Whatever you want, you can place it here. Come back. Data labels are there. So this is fine. Slicer is there. This is also fine. Legend is there, no? There should be one option. There should be one option here. One by one, let me check. So central right, okay. This I just want in the center right. The values. Text I want to increase little bit and I want to bold them. Okay. That is also fine. Next
Sir,
title also I need.
how do I know this is east, this is west, this is central, and this is south?
In this area. So for this, like you can't pass any inputs here. Like
Okay,
you
sir.
need to take the mouse cursor on because there is no input here to take. Okay. Legend is also already legend is occupied. If you see here, legend area is already occupied with some other inputs.
Yes,
So
sir.
no, that is one of the
Yeah.
drawback. Okay, that's about I just about to tell you that. So for example, okay. So see here, if anybody want to know like in the corpus, east area, west area, south area, central area. So those inputs are not there to give. Okay, so manually you need to take your mouse cursor. So in the corpus, this belongs to the central, this belongs to the east, this belongs to the south, and this belongs to the west. Manually, you need to show. Go to the visualization area. In the visualization area, if I am not wrong, there should be something definitely. So this is the visualization with the rotation. Fine. Go to the data labels. Data labels you want inside, you can place them inside. You want outside, you can make them outside. Okay. And here, what type of values you want? Percent of total, or like you are getting the percentage, no? So what type of values you want? Only percent you want. See, only percentages you want. You can show the percentage. Only data values you want to show. Please show only the sales value. I want to show only the sales value. But along with the sales, I want to show the percentage means data value percentage. Two things at a time. It will show in front of you. Two things at a time. It will be showing in front of you. So come to the slicer. In the slicer, you can see each box color. For example, here there is a one which is known as a mobile phones. Mobile phones is in the blue color. So this blue color I really got irritated. I want to give some other color. So definitely from RGB color space, I will give one color. See, red color I am giving for the mobile. Or red color I am giving for the mobile. So any color you can give, that's completely your wish. But you can ask me, sir, can't you do anything with the inner circle? Spacing is there, no? See, if I reduce, the inner circle will reduce. See, inner circle. If we completely zero, guys, this is a pie chart or not? Tell me, is this a pie chart?
Yes, sir.
This is a pie chart. But if you just increase this, inner circle will get away. See, only single one. So if you keep it in the middle, this looks good. Okay, this looks good. Okay, this is what about spacing option. So simple. This is what pie chart and donut chart means. Pie chart and donut chart, circle representation kind of things are known as an pie charts and donut charts. Understood this? Clearly? Yes. Okay. So now we'll discuss the last two parts in the visualization. Tables. You come here. Tables and metrics. One of the most important content we have in the Power BI. Tables and metrics. Very, very important. First, I will go with the tables. First, I will go with the tables. So tables means what? So instead of showing the data like a graphical way, you can show the data in a tabular way also. First of all, let me click on the table. See, one table will come. So if you want to see any column here, You can give the column here, like state column you want to see, a region column you want to see. Let's say what is sales or price or profit or subcategory or anything you want to see, you can give it directly. So you can select the visualization and you can work on it. Let's say I'm going to click on the table, I'm going to drag to the middle, and I'm going to pass the inputs. So if you don't take the visualization, I'm not taking any visualization here. I am not taking any visualization. Imagine I'm going to take the subcategory column. I'm directly dragging and keeping somewhere here. See guys, if I'm not wrong, which visualization is selecting in the map? Tell me. If I'm doing like this, once again see, as of now there is no visualization in here. So if I take my subcategory, if I drag it and if I keep it here, so which one is selecting from here? Which one is selecting from here? Table only, no? Table is highlighting or not? Okay. So directly what you can do is you can click on the table, you can drag it to the middle. So into this table, which column you want to pass? You can pass subcategory. Like this you can do, or directly also you can do. So let me expand the thing here. Let me expand. See, one column you are giving. Okay. One column you are giving. So what is the meaning of the column here? See, let's say very simple. In the subcategory column, in the subcategory column, unique labels are there. No, those unique labels will be showing in front of you. So don't think, sir, you are giving the column. No. So all the column data will be represented. No, not like that. If you want to represent all the column data which is present in the subcategory, you go to the table view. In the table view, if you go to the subcategory, all the subcategory data is mentioned here. Okay, but out in this particular column, what are the unique labels? Unique label means, I already told you, in a gender column, if you have male, female, male, female, male, female, what are the unique labels? Male and female only. They are only repeating again and again and again. So in the subcat, if I'm taking the subcategory, I'm giving here, it is coming. So if I take the region, I will add here another column, or you can dump here. Or you can dump here. See, clear explanation is coming. Accessories in the central area, accessories in the east area, accessories in the south area, accessories in the west area. Next, application in the central area. So everything is representing clearly. Everything is representing clearly. Any other column you want to give? I want to give the sales. So accessories in the central area, total sum of sales. Accessories in the east area, sum of sales. Accessories in the south area, sum of sales. You want to give the profit? Give the profit. Accessories in the central area, total sum of sales and sum of profit. Accessories in the east area, sum of sales and sum of profit. Okay, clearly table representations also definitely you can do here. But what I'm going to do is simple data I will take. I don't want to scroll down and complicate. Simple columns I will represent and we'll work on it. Let's say what we will do is, let me take the subcategory. Okay, let me take the subcategory. Just give me a minute. Okay, let me take the subcategory. What I want to do is each subcategory. Okay, each subcategory. Please take their sales and profit values. Okay, please take their sales and profit values, or else you take the category. First you take the category. So see, first subcategory column I'm taking, then category column I'm taking. So first I want category and then I want subcategory. Interchange them. Take the category to the first. Category comes first, then subcategory comes second. Okay. Now I will increase the size. I will increase the size. See, you know here accessories belongs to technology. Mobile phones belongs to, if I'm not wrong, mobile phones will be there. Mobile phones will belongs to technology. Let's say corpus belongs to technology. So each subcategory and the related category I mentioned. And the related category I mentioned. Simple. Okay, next. Here I will take sum of sales. Here I will take sum of sales. See, total also coming. Total also coming. Okay, total. If you want to represent in a very clear way, take the original, which I don't want to take any theme. I want to do the normal general, the complete overview. I don't want to add any theme here. So I'm taking the sum of sale. Total sales is going to show you. Sir, I want to take the profit. Take the profit, give here. to total each. See here the question is, when in the category is technology, let's say the category is technology. In the technology, accessories is there, no? These accessory sales are how much and the profits are how much. Let's say in the technology, coppers are there, no? Their sales are how much, profits are how much. Clearly mentioned here. Total sales are how much, total profits is how much. You can ask me one question. So just to represent the data in the form of table, is there any use? So it's not completed. Now I'm going to do a lot of things here. I'm going to do a lot of things. So first of all, I will go to the makeup area. In the makeup area, you see here, the first one, style present. Default is there. Style present default is there. I want minimal point. See what type of visualization you want. You can pick it from here. Bold header. Okay. Alternate rows. See, like this. If you want to represent, you can represent the data like this. Contrast alternating rows. See, this is one of the visual representation. Flashing rows. See, this is one of the visualization. Bolder header flashing rows. This is one of the visualization. Sparse. This is one of the visualization. This is also one of the visualization. Let me go with this one. Okay. Let me go with this one. Suppose. Okay, I'm selecting this style. Fine. Next. Grids. The grid is there, no? So horizontal grid or vertical grid. What is the meaning of grid? Horizontal grid means these lines, horizontal lines. Vertical grid means vertical lines. Vertical grid means vertical lines. So horizontal grids I want to on. See, horizontal grids I want to on, and that color I want to change to some other orange color. See, horizontal grids will color. Thickness you want to increase. See, thickness is increasing. You want to decrease the thickness, please decrease the thickness. Okay. Vertical you want, you can take the vertical. Little bit you want to increase, you can increase. Okay. Little bit you can increase, you can increase. And do you want to add any border? Okay, border position. Top means, see, any border you want to add. Bottom side, any border you want to add. Left side you want to add any border. Right side you want to add any border. No need. Border option, no need. Close the grid. Values. Whatever the values that is mentioned here, I want to change the font to Vadana. Okay, I want to change the font to Vadana. They are telling text color. Whatever the text that is written, the text is written, the numbers, number colors, mainly values, whatever the values that you see here, that is represented with the black color. Okay, background is light blue, alternative text color is black. This I don't want to change. It is fixed. Column header, top area. Column header means the column area is there, no? Column header. So that one, you want black color, you want this color, any color you want, you can pick that color. You want green color, you can give that color. Okay, you can give that color. Total is there, not total, bottom total. So this total I want to represent with red color, Kamal. Please represent with red color. I want to increase the size. See, I want to bold them. Already bold. If you unbold, you can unbold it. Specific column. So which column you want to find out? Category column you want to target, subcategory column, some sales column, profit column. Let me target the profit column. So in the profit column, all the values I want to maintain in the middle. So not why only for that? Can't you maintain for everything? I'm going to select I'm going to select category column, maintain them in the middle. Okay, subcategory column, maintain them in the middle. Sales, maintain them in the middle. Profit, please maintain them in the middle. Okay, all the values, please maintain them in the middle. Okay, close the values. Close the values here. Come back. Okay, this no need, like image size, like what image size. If you add any background image, if you use URL and if you click on it, if there is any URL data, it will add, but there's no need. That is no need. Okay, simple. Cell element is there, no? So cell element, category is there, subcategory is there. If you want to add any backgrounds, you can go there and you can add, but this I will tell you in the condition formatting. Don't worry. Come back. So this is what makeup I have done. This makeup I have done on the table. So now you can ask me, sir, this also look uncongested. So guys, you tell me, There is a column called profit column. There is a sum of profit column is there, no? Based on these values, I want to sort the data. For example, see guys, what is the smallest value here? -1 is the smallest value. So if I make them in ascending order, this value becomes first. So if this value becomes first means it related entire row will become first or not? Yes or no? If you are sorting the value based on the C, I'm going to click on the three dots. I'm going to click on the three dots. Sort. What I want to sort? What you want to sort based on the profit. Okay. Please, based on the profit, I'm getting C. Descending order I'm getting. Based on the profit, if I click on this one, ascending order, see, small to big. Small to based on the profit, ascending order. Based on the profit, descending order. Based on the sales, ascending order. Based on the sales, descending order. So anything you can maintain. But here, that's not an issue at all. Here, this is not an issue. What I will do is, for example, I will go to the makeup area. In the makeup area, default theme I will select. I will select the normal theme instead of that blue color. I will select the normal theme. Why, sir? Why you are selecting the normal theme? Why I am selecting normal theme? I will show you within few minutes. Okay, I will just expand a little bit. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the data. Even this column also, I will expand a little bit. Okay, I'll expand. Okay, so here I want to target the profit column, guys. For example, I want to target the profit column. Okay, I want to target profit column. So what I will do is, I will click on the visualization, come back to the original position. So here downward arrow is there, no? In the downward arrow, I will click on the downward arrow. If I click on the downward arrow, you can see here a concept known as condition formatting. Condition formatting, where you will be having four options. Fifth option no need, four options. Background color, font color, data bars, icons. Four options are there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to target the sum of profit column. Click on the downward arrow. Once clicking on the downward arrow, you can see here condition formatting. Background color. So in the background, what color I want? In the background, based on the values, what color I want? So what I will do is, I will lowest value in the profit column. The lowest value, please give me light blue color. The highest value, please give me dark blue color. Okay, lowest value in the profit column, give me light blue color. The highest value in the profit column, please give me dark color. Click on it. See guys, see, you are getting. If you want to maintain the data in ascending order, small to big, okay, or this is in the descending order, big to small. Big values means dark color. Big values means dark color. Negative values, low values means light blue color. In reverse order, in ascending order, small to big. In ascending order, what color you want? Go to there, go to the particular column, or else here, click on it, go here, change the preferred style to minimal point or anything. Any style you select normally. Okay, as of now, please select any style. Okay, this looks really good. So little bit. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to condition formatting. The condition formatting background color. So I want to change the color, light colors I need. Light orange color and the dark orange color. Dark orange color. If you click on it, see, negative, dark, lightly, darkly. But difference you can't see. So sir, I can't see the difference. So go to the condition formatting, background color, change this to light blue, change this to dark blue. Okay, dark blue. Click on OK. See, the values are there, no? See, you can ask me, sir, you are using wherever there is a in a simple way. Sum of profit is there, no? Maintain them in ascending order, small to big. Small values means light blue color. Highest values means dark blue color. See, dark blue color. It's completely changing. So the color you have, I think, color you didn't given properly. Give here dark blue. Dark blue you give. Now it looks good. See, dark blue. Low values means light blue. Slightly it is changing the color and going to the dark blue. And here you can ask me one question. Sir, I can't see that the values which is written inside the profit column because of the color. Go to that particular column. Go to the condition formatting. Font color. Font color. What color you want? I want purely white color, for example. I want purely white color. Or what I will do is, I will pick this one. So lowest value, they will be having light yellow, light orange color. Highest value, they will be having dark orange color. Click on OK. See, you can see here. Any color you can pick up. It's completely your wish. Ascending order, descending order. Okay. This is text, I mean font color, backend font color. If you want to change the color, go there, font color, whatever the color that you want. Sir, I want to give the color something like a light green to the dark green I want to give. Please apply. See, oh, it's not at all visible. I think white colors are the fine. I think white color is fine. So lowest, but to show the difference, lowest value means I will give cement color, the slight cement color I will give. Highest value means white color I will give. Let's see, slightly the value is increasing, big value means white color. Okay, now go to the condition formatting. So background color completed, font color completed. Data bar, what is the meaning of data bar? Based on the value, you can give the bars also. Based on the values, you can give the bars. So see, positive values I will give this color, negative values I will give this color, and show, I will click on OK. As of now, I will click on OK. See, negative values, if there is a negative value, negative side bar is coming with a pink color. So remaining, based on the value, the bar is increasing. See, the bar is increasing. You can ask me one question, sir, I can't see it properly. Then what I will do, go to the condition formatting. Colors you need to select, guys. I'm very poor in color selection. Data bars, click on only show bars. So see, values will be evaporated. Now you can see here, the first two are going negative side, which are negative profits. Remaining things are slightly increasing the profit. Slightly increasing the profit. So based on the bars also, you can define. Based on the bars also, you can define. Okay. So I want the values to be represented. Go to the condition formatting, data bars, show the data. But bars, please change the bar color. Make them to black color. Make them to black color, like positive bars black color, negative bars please give some other color, some red color or anything, any color combination, any color combination. So see, black color bar, red color. That is the bar option. Last option is there, which is pretty good. Which is pretty good. What is the pretty good? That one, icon. Guys, you tell me, total sales are how much? Sorry, total profits are how much? 2,86,397 rupees of profit we are getting. So here I'm targeting only that particular column. I will go to the condition formatting. In the condition formatting, icon option I will select. In the icon option, what I will do here is, the values greater than or equal to 0, okay, and less than or equal to. From the 0, simple way, from the 0 to 1 lakh, from the 0 to 1 lakh, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Please give red color because they are very, very poor. Very, very poor. Okay, red color. From 1 lakh. Okay. From 1 lakh values to 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Please give me orange color. Okay, average values, average sales. Orange color flag I will give. Okay. So values which are more than 2 lakh. Which are more than 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh. And less than or equal to 3 lakh or 4 lakh. 4,000. Green color. I will click on OK. So what they are telling here, they are giving someone, please check the logic of the rule. The values which are greater than or equal to 0 percentage or numbers, not percentage. Let me take the number. Let me take the number. Let me take the number. So here also number, here also number, here also number. So in my profit, values are there, no? Values more than 0 and less than 1 lakh, give red color. Values more than 1 lakh and less than 2 lakh, give yellow color. More than 2 lakh, less than 4 lakh, give green color. Click on it. Guys, can you see? because all the profit values are below 1 lakh only. Below 1 lakh only. That's why you're getting this one. Same thing if you apply on the sales. Same thing you apply on the sales. What I will do, I'll click on the sales. In the sales, I will go to the condition formatting. Background color. What background color you want? Some color you take. So minimum value light green. This one dark green you give. Click on OK. Okay, see, pretty good. Maintain the data in ascending order. This is in a descending order. See, big to small descending order. Maintain the data in ascending order. See, small to big. Okay. Next, go to the condition formatting. In the condition formatting, font color. Font color pretty good. I think font color is enough. If you want to maintain them in the white color, what you do, condition formatting, font color, change them to white. Any value, please represent them in the white. Okay. You can even, I already told you, these values, small values you can define with one color, big values you can define with one color, which you can see here. Do you need any data bars to see? Condition formatting. Do you need any data bars? Positive bar, negative bar. Negative bar means this color, positive bar means this color. If I click on it, see, the bars will come. Based on the value, the bar will come. Based on the value, the bar will come. Next, I want to apply condition formatting, but with an icons option. Icons option. So I want number in that particular column. I'm not having percentages. I'm having numbers. So I'm going to click on number. Values which are more than 0 and less than or equal to 1 lakh. Okay, less than or equal to 1 lakh. I'm going to give red color. I'm going to give a red color flag because the souls are very less. The values which are more than 1 lakh, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, and less than or equal to 2 lakhs. Less than or equal to 2 lakhs. I'm going to give orange color flag. Orange color flag, little bit good. Little bit good. And you can pick up here the sum of sales value. If you see, total sales are how much? Total sales, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let me do one thing. The values, the sales values which are more than 2 lakh and which are less than or equal to 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Give the green color. Click on OK. You see here how the representation is. How the representation is pretty good, right? So these values, definitely these values are 0 to 1 lakh. So these values are between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, and these values are more than 2 lakhs, 2 to 4 lakhs. So based upon this visualization only, I can easily find out that particular value belongs to which area. I mean, which area means like which range, 0 to 1 lakh or 1 lakh to 2 lakh or 2 lakh to 4 lakh, which range you can define. So table representation is also one of the good guys. So you can play with the tables like how I am doing. You can maintain them in ascending order. You can maintain them in the descending order. You can represent the data like this. See, you can representing in the descending order pretty good. See how it looks like. You can represent the data in this manner also. So this is about tables. Guys, understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this representation also, okay, this we call them as tables. Okay, tables. So there is one more point which is known as a matrix. Matrix is nothing but like it's a hierarchical, guys. What is the meaning of hierarchy is, for example, see, I will write the name India, for example. If I create a box here, for example, if I write the name India, okay, if I write the name India, I will give the plus button here. If I click on this plus button, automatically India state should open. If I click on the plus button in each state, its city should open. Okay, so this connectivity we call them as hierarchical, creating the data hierarchically. So you can maintain the data hierarchically. I mean, you can create the hierarchical representation. So first click on the matrix. Okay, matrix. So what I'm going to do is, see, row is there, no? In the row, I will give region. Okay, in the row, I will give region. Okay, again, I will give segment. See what happens? So first what you are giving region. In region what you are having, east is there, west is there, south is there, central is there. If I expand the central, so in the central, consumer, corporate and home office. In the east, consumer, corporate and home office. In the south, consumer, corporate and home office. In the west, consumer, corporate and home office. Expansion. Okay, like if I don't want to represent, come back, come back, come back. If I want to pass sales, for example, if I'm passing the sales, see it is done. If I expand the central, in the central I am having, in the central region I am having consumers, corporate and home offices. Consumer sales are how much? See, consumer sales data is represented, consumer corporate data is represented, and home offices data also represented. Here you can see just sales value it is representing. Sales value. Can you do any sum? Sum options are there means you can do the sum. The sum options are not there. You can't do the sum properly. What you do is remove the sales from here. Give the sales here. Give the sales. It looks pretty good. See, in the central, sum of sales are how much? In the east, sum of sales are how much? In the south, sum of sales are how much? In the west, sum of sales are how much? Total sales in America, how much? If I expand the central, consumers how many sales? Corporate how many sales? Home offices how many sales? In the east area, consumer how many sales? Corporate how many sales? Home offices. So individually you can find out. Okay, individually you can find out. So this expansions is known as a matrix. This expansion. Let's say now if I want to work with the sales, if I click on the sales, you can see here condition formatting. Same for these values you can apply. I want to ask you a logical question. That is, for example, central is there, east is there, south is there, west is there. Okay. In the central, you have three values. Okay. In the south, in the east, you have three. In the south, three values you are having. For example, if I apply the background color or if I apply the data bar or background color based on the value, for entire values it will be applied like a light blue color to dark blue color, like this it will apply, or for these three values it will apply, and again freshly for these three values, again for these three values, again for these three values it will apply. Tell me. What I'm saying is previously if you see the table, the small values which is picking. Okay. Okay. See, based on the sales, based on the price values, what you are doing, you are defining the bar or you are defining the markers, or you are picking up something like a color. This with the background color. See, light green color to dark green color based on the values. So my question for you is, what's my question for you is here? If I want to apply low value light green, high value dark green. Okay, light green and dark green. So for these three values this pattern will be applied, or for total values it will be applied. Tell me, anyone? See, you are dealing with segments, like you are dealing individually. It's an hierarchy. In the central area, for these three values, which is having the lowest value light green, which is having the highest value dark green. Again, in the east area, out of these three values, which is having the low value light green, which is having the high value dark green.
So
Yes or
colors
no?
will be applied only to these three range.
Yes, individually it will apply. Region wise, it will apply. Completely to the data, it won't apply, because you are giving the hierarchical part. Because you are giving the hierarchical part. Let me click on it. Go to the sales. Go to the condition formatting. Go to the background color or font color or data bars, or you see. Go to the background color. So I want to give from light green color to dark green color. Light green color to dark green color based on the values. Click on it. So see here, individual regions it is applying. If you maintain them the data in ascending order, see, consumers are highest in the west area, dark green. Corporate middle way. Home office is the basic thing. So in the west area, east area, central area, south area, each area three values. So each area three values. Based on the values, low value means light green, middle value means a little bit better, highest value means dark green. Okay, so this is a matrix representation. You can pass some other concept also. Subcategory also I want to pass. Please pass. So see, come back. What you are giving the hierarchy, you are maintaining the hierarchy. Each region in each segment, each subcategory, which means in each region in the west area, consumer, corporate, and home offices. Consumers are making how many sales in mobile phones, in chairs, in tables, clearly representing here. Corporate people are doing how many? Okay. Home offices are maintaining how many? It's clearly showing in front of you. Okay. So this is known as an matrix concept. Guys, understood? Understood till here? Pie chart, donut chart, completely about table representations and the matrix. Okay. So with this, all the visualizations which are important, we completed. So on the next week on Monday, we'll discuss the major project of Power BI. Then we'll go with the Power Query. After completing the major project, the dashboard development, I will teach you the Power Query. Power Query is nothing but which is used to clean the data. So where we are going to use the important concepts on top of it here, which options we will use, the math operations, that stats operations, all the things, and we'll clean the data. Okay. After that, we'll go with the DAC operations like model view. We'll go to the model view and we'll discuss like why we need the model view, how to connect with the multiple models. These things we'll see. So with these visualizations completed, all the visualizations, important visualizations, Monday we'll do the major project. So till here, any queries you can ask me, guys. Clear?
No,
All
sir.
of you? Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to save. I will upload this to the drive. Please collect the file from there. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you. Happy weekend, everyone.
Same to you, sir.